Hello dear viewers, today I will show you how to play videos on the background in YouTube app and also in your VLC if you are having a Redmi 10A mobile phone. So you can see I'm playing this video on the background, and I can go and search other stuff here. So the video is still being played on the background. So how do you do it? So, if I search for this video, let me play this.
Scale it using this drawing.
So I want to play this video on the background. So you have to, if you can notice my finger gesture on my screen, you have to swipe on the top left of your screen. So just swipe like that using your finger, and then this video will be played on the background. So that is if you are using YouTube to play this video. So if you are using VLC, for example, I want to play this video on the background. Just need to come here, click those three dots, and then pop up player. So I can go back to YouTube. This video is still playing. Right?
I want to group it using.
So you can see I'm playing this video on the background. It's like I have Windows. So that's how you can play videos on the background mode if you are using a Redmi 10A mobile phone. So this is my Redmi 10A. If you go to how the phone is set up, so you can see this is Redmi 10A. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.